List of 100 important English action words. Test your English vocabulary. Write down what you are hearing. Run, jump, eat, sleep, talk, walk, write, read, sing, dance, think, drive, cook, swim, fly, climb, laugh, cry, play, listen, watch, help, create, learn, teach, work, love, fight, win, solve, stand, speak, study, understand, plan, organize, clean, hug, kiss, run, exercise, brush, paint, draw, shop, drive, ride, cycle, explore, travel, smile, apologize, communicate, negotiate, sing, act, complete, improve, achieve, invent, volunteer, compete, clap, write, perform, analyze, critique, debate, convert, push, pull, lift, dig, plant, harvest, repair, solve, navigate, contribute, encourage, conquer, overcome, adapt, control, express, protect, foster, construct, investigate, enforce, discover, execute, promote, capture, defend, secure, expand, redeem, release, transform. This list provides a wide range of verbs, covering actions related to physical movement, communication, creativity, problem-solving, emotions, and much more. They are all crucial for expressing various ideas and activities in the English language.